Encountering a cannot rename file, it is being used by another person or program error when renaming files can be frustrating. This tutorial offers solutions to prevent this issue and safely rename files. Method 1. Close open programs. Exit any open programs that might be using your file. Method 2. Exit corresponding process. Use Task Manager to terminate the process, locking your file. Method 3. Restart your computer. Restarting your PC can remove the lock on your file. Method 4. Boot into safe mode. Boot your computer into safe mode to prevent file renaming issues. Method 5. Using Process Explorer. Identify and terminate the program or process using your file. Once the error is resolved, consider batch renaming your files with Easy File Renamer. This software simplifies bulk file renaming with various patterns and a user-friendly interface. Download, add files, choose renaming patterns, and click Rename to efficiently manage your file names.